QSP Canary folder. Compact EDC offering with just under 3-inch blade, featuring a stainless steel clip point, dual thumb stud for ambidextrous use. The G10 handles have a nice texturing for grip. It even has some jimping to make it easier to close. Various opening methods. This has been one of my most EDC'd blades of all 2025. When I need something that rides deep in the pocket, it almost always gets the call. And with so many colors to choose from, which Canary would you carry? Experience the unseen.